welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we are gonna make a bag, this bag.
So let's get into it.
So we are gonna use this thing.
It's called plastic canvas.
If you are from Nepal, it's available in Daraz app. I'm gonna use these two colors, white and pink.
Yarn needle, 2 half circle metal chain, magnetic snap bottom, a chain. I did not buy it, I took out from my old bag. First of all, we'll separate the piece by cutting them. Ensure there are no rough edges poking out. If there is any, then you can smooth them like this. Then you will have 3 different pieces. I have taken pink color yarn to make a heart shape. To make a heart shape design, you will have to find the center of the canvas and make a mark in it. Then we will create a 2 diagonal lines 7 holes up to make a V shape of a heart, just like in the video. Now we will insert the needle on the 7th hole, pull it through, skip one hole, then insert the needle again and pull it out from the back. We will leave a small tail at the back. Then we will move one hole down diagonally and one hole up diagonally. We will repeat this pattern for 4 times. The tail will stay in between the canvas and the stitching yarn. On the 5th one, we'll insert on the same level hole on the upper side. On the 6th one, we will insert one hole downward like this, and on the 7th one step down again, which will create a half heart. We will fill the other half heart with the same process. It will look something like this. Anytime you run out of yarn or you are at the end, all you need to do is slide your needle under several stitches and then carefully cut the yarn. Now for this part, we'll start by threading the yarn and then start from the corner of the canvas. I made a mistake. I left one hole which I will fix later on. Here we will have to fill this kind of shape. When we are at the heart area, we will insert the white yarn on the same wall of pink yarn like this, so it will give the fuller look. The front and the back will look equally fuller without any gaps. If you got in any place where your needle cannot pass by the hole, then leave it and try on another hole. We'll fix that space later on. Here I am fixing the part where I have messed up earlier by leaving a hole. I will insert the tail back on. After getting at this point, you can simply slide your needle under and continue. You don't have to cut the yarn. Now keep the same gap and continue and fill the whole space, and it will look something like this. We will clean this up later on. Now repeat the same process on the small canvas too. Then it will look something like this. This is the part that joins the front and the back of the purse. We'll start from the end of it. Take a really long yarn while making a stitch in it because it's little difficult to add in the middle. Like this, you have to completely cover this whole part. Now we will start with making stitches all around the edge. We will repeat this process all around the canvas, and we will repeat this process on small canvas too. Now it's time to clean this up. Now we will attach everything together. Make a mark on the middle. Then make a knot on the marked area. Tie and secure it. We'll sew the side of the purse together. Take a really long strip of yarn so you don't have to add it in the middle. Sew through both pieces like this. Continue sewing on the parts along. We will fill this part too with exact same technique. Then it will look like this. Now we will attach another side of it by using the same technique. We will repeat this process on the whole area and also at the top of it. Now we'll attach this at the side. The whole weight of the bag depends on this part, so tightly secure it by making a knot. And we'll repeat the same process on another side too. Magnetic lock. To keep the bag closed, we'll use magnetic lock. Take a help of fabric scissors or anything heavy like this that can fold the metal. We'll mark where other side of the magnet will locate and insert there. Carefully close it inside the first layer of yarn so it will be invisible from outside and give a better finishing. It will look something like this when you are done.
Chain or a strap. I have taken this strap from my old bag. You can also do that or buy a new one. Here we will do a stitching in a normal way. By inserting the needle through one loop, pull the thread and then go back through another loop from the back to the front. Pull the thread again.
Just keep the chain straight. The chain was too long, so I did adjust it into my desired length